Hello everyone, David here, and today I'm gonna share a quick tutorial on how to recover the highlights in the MLV app when you shoot RAW on Magic Lantern. So here I have a footage from my Canon EOS M, which I took last week during our short vacation in West Java, and as you can see, the highlights here are blown out. You can't see the details in the buildings or in the sheet here. So we're gonna recover these blown out highlights, these nasty highlights here. So first of all, check this highlight reconstruction checkbox here. And then one way of doing the highlight reconstruction is using highlight slider here. Yeah. As you can see, now we recover some of the details. But if that doesn't really work, then you can use the exposure slider at the top here. So lower the exposure until you see more details in the highlights. Look, now we can see the details here on the windows of the buildings. But the problem is now we have underexposed interior, including the subject here. It becomes so dark. And so you have to recover that using the shadow slider here. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Now we have a balance highlights and shadow. And the next thing you can do is fixing the white balance. As you can see, we have a very warm image here. So you can use this temperature color picker here. What do you call it? Yeah, white balance picker. Set it to gray, or if you can also toggle it to skin with this figure icon here. You can use this to pick the color of the skin, or just use this option here to pick white surface. So in this case, I'm gonna use this one and pick the color of the sheet because this is white, I know. So okay, now we have correct white balance, and with that you can just play around with the vibrance, with the saturation, and so on. So yeah, we have corrected the overexposed footage here in the MLV app. Thank you.